Hey guys, and welcome to the Hobby Basement. This is my vlog planner with custom sheets, and this is how I made it. For this project I choose to use Google Docs. I'm quite sure you can use other text editors as long as they provide the format you want. I wanted an A5 format for my notebook, and to achieve that I wanted to print out the sheets on A4 paper, 2 sides per sheet and double-sided. Here you can see the pages I made. I made the side margin quite narrow and give it a little bit more space in the top and the bottom. Remember to print two-sided and 2 pages per sheet. Fold the sheets along the middle to create 4 pages for your notebook. Stack up all the sheets that is going to make out the pages for your notebook. Line them up and clamp them down to make sure they're not going anywhere while you glue them. If you want to, you can apply just a little bit water on the back side of the pages to make sure that the glue goes further into the back of the book. I did not do that, and it's actually worked quite well, and the pages turn out to be very strong glued together. Now it's time to make the cover. I wanted to have a red cover for this YouTube notebook. Since the notebook is a little bit thick, one sheet of paper is not going to wrap entirely around the notebook. That's why I'm using 2 pages and cutting off a little bit on each side. Place the pages in the cover where we have applied the glue and make the other side of the cover. You're going to have a little overlap on each side of the cover since you're using 2 pages to create it. I solved that by cutting up some black paper and applying it over the overlaps. Pick out some cool stickers and you should be good to go. Okay, that was the entire project. This book was inspired by a video I saw over at the DIY Notebook channel. They made a quite simple and similar YouTube notebook. I'll leave a link for that video down in the description, as well as a link for the PDF file that I used to create the custom pages. Thanks for watching.